So word just got out that America's favorite ETF, dividend ETF for newer dividend investors, cut their dividend. That's right. They've been cutting their dividend down for a while, and now they're at 10.35%, I believe. Well, either way, you can see the statistics. So JEPI has reduced its dividend, and it's been doing this frequently, over and over again. People were so used to the 11% to 12%, and its friend, brother, cousin, or whatever you want to call it, more technology-based ETF partner with the same family, JP Morgan Stanley Group, has cut its dividend too. And everyone is going frantic. The dividend investors, not me, not the more seasoned dividend investors, but some of the newer ones are going frantic, and they're nervous. And you know what's happening? They're screaming for the hills. Sell, sell, sell. So 10% yield is not enough. You have to sell. Now here's what I'm doing. I'm not buying any more of JEPI. I'm going to go for one of my favorite BDCs, business development companies, Maine, because I've talked about Maine so many times, and they just increased their dividends, so they have the opposite news. And you gotta love Maine Capital Corp. So, with that being said, no, I'm not going to sell my JEPI, and I'm not going to sell my JEPQ. I'm just going to stop adding to that position and start adding to my position in Maine Capital Corp. And that's my solution. Get dividends, make money, and continue to celebrate wins like this.